Good afternoon. My name is Jess Hinds. So back in the day, physical therapy was known as a female-only career because it was in the medical field and a lot of men didn't want to be in the medical field. So today I'm here to explain to you 3 important words for physical therapy, which are rehabilitation, RICE, and dorsiflexion. These 3 words are important to physical therapy because it's for sports medicine specifically and not really for any other career. So for this, it's a heart with a bunch of words that specify to physical therapy. And I chose a heart because your heart is one of the most important muscles in your body itself. So for my first word, I have RICE. So RICE stands for rest, ice, compression, and elevation. So this is used in physical therapy because once an injury occurs, the first thing a physical therapist or also an athletic trainer may tell you is to stay off of it, keep it elevated above your heart, and compress it with ice. So my second word is rehabilitation. This is also known as rehab for short. This is used in physical therapy when you're coming off of a surgery, off of an injury, or any type of dysfunction that might keep you from doing things from your normality. So my third word is dorsiflexion, and dorsiflexion is a term used in the medical field for the backward bending and contracting of your hand or your foot, but it also can include your fingers and your toes as well. So an example of this is a football player being tackled from behind and his foot staying in place as he's getting tackled. So as a whole presentation, in conclusion, these 3 words are just some of many that are used very frequently in the physical therapy and medical field as a whole. They also explain how physical therapists can contribute to different types of injuries for different athletes or people in general. Thank you.